Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I'm going to be doing something with you today that we've never done before, and that is an unboxing of a Moda pre-made kit. We have a limited amount of these. They literally just came in the door today. This is called A is for Apple. This beautiful quilt was designed by Minick and Simpson. It's a revived pattern they've done a while back, and this is their new collection, Roselyn. Beautiful fabrics. And I can't wait to show you. And you can just imagine all the fun piecing, the applique, and you know what's amazing? The applique is pre-fused and laser cut. So let's go ahead, let's unbox this together and see what is inside this amazing, it's a beautiful box too. I would never throw this box away. What a great place to put your blocks as you go. Keep stacking them in there. So we have a thank you note from Moda, I love that. And a message from Minick and Simpson about the project itself. Again, it's A is for Apple. We have our pattern, of course. And then look at this laser cut. That is incredible because I did not expect this to actually be all in one piece. I was expecting that the different sections would be separate. The fact that that's all in one is unreal. And there's, of course, a fusible webbing. So you're just peeling the paper off, iron it to your background fabric, and you're stitching down right now. That's incredible. And then, of course, here's your other fabrics you'll need for the project. I think this is amazing. We've picked out just two colors as some suggested threads if you want to grab that. And our backing fabric we've chosen is this Sweet Ditzy. We thought that was just a nice little finishing touch on the back. We have limited quantities of this kit available, so if this one speaks to you, be sure to grab that, let a friend know about it. And if you're loving the Roselyn collection as much as we are, we have pre-cuts available, at least we do at the time of the filming, and yardage as well. So be sure to pick that up so you can make some coordinating projects as well. So thanks for letting me share this unboxing with you, and I'll see you on a future Shabby video.